pavement ends. Oh, look at this. Don't mind us. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here on the KC Hazleton Loop in the Bighorn Mountains. And it's getting ready to storm. I'm about 16 miles to the pavement. And then I'll top off there. I got, I don't know, 1/8 of a tank, but I have a gallon with me. So stay tuned for more, guys. Alright, Hawk, get me the hell out of Gillette. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's see, I'm headed out. Gonna hit KC, go up over the backside of the mountain, and we're just now leaving Gillette. On the trip odometer, got 113. I should have reset it, but I guess if we catch a stoplight, I'll reset it up here because I'm still in Gillette. We're gonna do a big loop, come back into Gillette north of town, so it should be a pretty good ride. Not gonna be as quite as hot today, only 96, so hopefully it'll be a little cooler on the bike. Just got topped off with gas. I got my 1 gallon bladder full. I did bring spare tubes, a pump, I got a few tools, so we should be good to go. Not sure why my GPS is not coming back on. There we go. I'm sure we're going to eat the knobbies up today. My thing's not even in there now. Yeah, on the way getting gas, it said it was going to update, and now I have my track put in there. I'm going to have to stop up here and get that put back in there. Somebody had a uh-oh over here. Oh, there it went. It popped up. Now my GPS track, which is weird, I don't know why it's not mapping me to where I want to start on the off-road section going up the backside of the mountain. It's kind of weird. Alright guys, I won't bore you with the pavement, and save some battery, and I'll flip it on when we get down here a little farther. Is it an accident or a speeder? Speeding. They're out in full force today. That's like the third cop. And then they even got a highway patrol up there, which is really crazy for in town. Alright guys, we'll catch you here in a little bit. I'm gonna try to burn up some of this pavement, and then I'll spare you the not so scenery blacktop. Alright guys, thanks. Alright guys, stopped here to take a break, get me a drink. Black and Yellow Trail. Hopefully you guys can see that if you want to zoom in and read it. 20th century. Traffic's not too bad out here. The old bike's doing pretty good. As I was taking a break here, get me a drink, and my breather popped off of my air box there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I flipped the hose and just put it up here. I stopped and get gas. I'll wrap me a paper towel around it. But, oh, there's my clamp. Of course, if I lose it, oh, it went down in there. There we go. Well, let's carry on, shall we? Oh, I think it's recording now. This little town is Edgar. We'll stop at Midwest and fill up. We're 140 miles. Almost to the dirt. It's getting kind of warm. Nothing but prairie and oil fields out here. Population 285. Super old oil well there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Top the old girl off. 3/4 of a tank. We'll see how much it takes to fill it up. Alright guys, just filled up here. Got me an extra bottle of water, a couple snacks. Next stop is KC. Put a little air in my tire. Was a little low. I don't know if it was because of the heat, but it's about 96 degrees. Hawk's doing pretty good. No complaints. Alright guys, I'll see you when I get to the dirt. In the dirt, I couldn't tell KC is to the right that way. But they wanted me to get on the interstate and I couldn't tell if it had an off-ramp, so we're gonna cut across this dirt here and make a right, and it should tie us into the KC Hazleton loop that takes you up the backside of the mountains. So I did get a couple snacks. Oh my god, they were expensive at that gas station. 2 Cliff Bars, a bag of combo, and another bottle of water was $19.70. I really hope I don't have to go back and get on the interstate. Hopefully this is not somebody's driveway to the ranch. Long Canyon Road. Oh, it's got a county sign on it. We're good. Ooh. 114. I get up here to the top. I'm going to check the GPS real quick. Let's see here. Really? Is it gonna take me over there? Yeah, it should be close. We'll just wing it. Oh, let me check this GPS real quick. Or the GoPro, sorry. See where we're at here. Well, that dead ends. I guess we got to go this way. Maybe I should have jumped on the highway. Because KC, where I need to be, is just, I think it's over that hill right there. If we can get on here, we'll just get on. Midwest, KC is straight. Well, maybe they will have an off-ramp. I didn't think they would. I don't really want to do the interstate, but we'll just let the old Hawk rip. See what she's got. 60 mile an hour. These guys will be going 100. Go full race mode. Oh, there was a side road. You gotta be kidding me. Oh well. Oh wow. Could you imagine riding a horseback through here 100 years ago? I sure hope it's cooler when I get up on top. It's a pretty cool little loop. We got a turn up here. Man, that's powdery. Holy crap. Just graded this. Oh, that sign back there said hole in the wall gang 20 miles. That's where their hideout used to be. Oh man, that stuff is loose. It's like silt. Oh, there's the road grader. Oh, I hope he stops up here. Oh man, I hope he didn't do this whole road. really cool. Look at that. Oh wow, guys, look at that. That is really something. Camera probably doesn't do it justice, but that is quite the view. Hole in the wall this way. Nice ranch down in there. Man, the scenery is something down in here. Those ruts kind of sneak up on you, especially when you're sightseeing and you don't really pay much attention. Now we should start going up into the Bighorns. So far for the trip, we are 227 miles. Today's going to be a big mile day. And we're about, let's see, almost 6,000 feet. I had to slow down a little bit because I've been gawking around in these ruts, and I almost ate it a couple times, and I didn't have the GoPro on because it's so hot. Oh, it's so hot it trips out, or not trips out, powers off. Oh my gosh. It's starting to go up. Stopped here, got me a drink. The hawk seems to be doing pretty good. We are, let's see, 233 miles from town, my house, in the middle of nowhere. I got my stuff on here. Hopefully I have enough gas to make it to Buffalo. If not, we'll always say we wish we would have. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. There we go. Well, believe it or not, it's starting to cool off a little bit more. It's still pretty hot. There we go. Alright guys, I figured I'd just stop here and take a quick break. See if we could get we came down, you can kind of see the road over there, and then way over on the hill we came down through there. That was a pretty drive down through there. Hopefully it showed up on the GoPro. Alright guys, I found the weakness. Man, these forks are soft. I can put heavier oil in it. I thought I was recording back there. It was really rough. Big rocks. Gosh. That might be the next mod, is upgrade the forks. See if I can find a set of dirt bike forks. Boy, it's a rough one. I didn't want to bottom them out. Man, I beat those forks on that one section. Oh, there's a cabin down in there. How cool would that be to live down in here? You wouldn't be going to the grocery store every other day. Oh. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. That's the forks bottoming out. Oh, shit. Gotta take it easy on the old girl. I still gotta make it home. Oh. That thing shouldn't bottom out on that. I gotta check my gas in my jacket. I don't want to lose that. And then I will be screwed if I lose that gas. Alright guys, I'll be back. Some of the rocks for now. Holy crap. That was kind of rough. I guess that's the difference between a $10,000 bike and a $2,000 bike. Let's see, we go to the right. Now the wind's picking up now. If you guys can see that road, that's where we're going. Oh, this is cool. What's this? 33-mile trail. Let's go check it out. Somebody rode in the grass. I didn't want to be that guy. Stock trail. That's pretty cool. Well, that's where we're going. what? You hit one of those little rocks going 30. Man, it bottoms this thing out in the front. I think we might get some rain. That was a big bug. Did you guys hear that? I was waiting for a big washout to be across there and just max it out again. Yep, that's where we're going, right over there. Middle Fork Campground. It's kind of a cool spot. They had to come in from the other way. There's no way they pulled those campers through that. Well, we're getting to the top. Man, that wind feels so good. Sorry, I got my visor open. It's getting kind of hot. This thing runs so much better with that other jet in there. Because I'm at we'll just say 8,000 feet. We will be here in a second. It's got plenty of get up and go. Trying to conserve a little bit of fuel. I'm down to a half. I really don't know how far it is to Buffalo. I do have an extra gallon, so I think I might get me a 2-gallon bladder. We'll just see how this works out today. Crazy views up here. I only passed, well, coming at me, a one pickup and then a side-by-side. Other than that, there's been no traffic. Looks like there's a storm up here. We'll probably go right into it. We're getting closer. Nice little pond down there. We're getting her. Get up here. Fat and happy cows. Anybody want a ribeye? Ah, sand. There's like an ice cream truck down there. Bread and breakfast. Oh, that's cool. Well, we're still at 8,100 feet. Got just a little under half a tank of gas still. I've been kind of taking it easy and not really getting on it where I can save gas. That storm on the other side of that mountain right there looks nasty coming over the hill. Oh, somebody got a badger. Oh wow, look at that cabin. Oh, there's another one. Wow. Did you see that lightning? Oh, that's lovely. Well, just as long as it don't hail. He's got a big fifth wheel. And he's not slowing down. It's gonna rain. Oh, finally get to go riding. It's been a good ride though. It can rain. We need it. What road is this? Rome Hills. 15 miles. Okay. We're not quite on empty yet. We got a little bit. Alright guys, I'll update you on the storm. Get up the road a little more. We got 15 miles to the main road. And then I'll put my gas in. I should be able to make it back to Buffalo. Then I got about another 120 miles home. I believe that is Hazelton Lake. Man, it cooled right down. Oh man, it feels good. Let's try this again. My battery died on my GoPro, so I got it plugged in. Well, we did 120 miles of dirt, and then 140 pavement. Now I got another 140 back. We're gonna go a different way back. And we're racing the storm, and I did put my MSR jacket on just in case it starts raining. Surprised there's no elk up here. Pavement ends. Man, they're redoing all kinds of stuff up here. Oh, that's a big one. Not bad. Four steep grades ahead. 4 steep grades ahead. Man, I can't talk today. Too much excitement. Oh, they do have a light here. You guys remember when I made that short and I'm like, where's the road? And I'll just go. Well, it's a good thing that there wasn't nothing coming. They got a light up here now. Dude. Look at this guy. Well, the storm's getting closer. We sat there for, I don't know, 25 minutes. Too hot for that visor down. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. You know, I just noticed that camper doesn't even have a license plate. Must be maybe it's a new one and they're delivering it. That'd be a fun job to have. You could just drive it through the mountains and be like, oh, I got tired so I had to stop. Come on guys, we're only going 10. There's like a line of cars behind me. Oh, that's cool. That thing's vibrating. Could you guys hear it through the camera? Loaf Mountain Lookout. Yeah, that's that one I was trying to find that day, but it's shut down. That would be Loaf Mountain right over there to the left. What are you doing? Oh, really? It's not rough. Oh, for shoot's sakes. That might have been a little rough for the camper. Oh. Go to deliver it and it's got like 6 inches of dust in the back. The highway was pretty dusty. Nah, we took a side road and there was a bunch of construction. Here's your $170,000 motorhome. Sorry, it's a little dirty. Be prepared to stop. Oh, now we're going. He was nice, he waved. Ooh, putting in new guardrail. All on out there. That's right. Road ends. think at next pull-off, I'm gonna stop and let these yahoos around. This camper can go on down the road. Jesus. What are you doing, man? Look at this guy. Woohoo! Dumbass. I'd say that guy in that camper is terrified. We're gonna stop right over here for a second. Look at that rain. I'm not gonna lie, my butt's kind of tired. 352 miles so far. I just wanted that camper to get going a little bit, and all the construction traffic that was held up. That's some high quality H2O. That's pretty cool. Best of the West. Wonder if American Hobo's on there. Stay safe out there. Alright guys, I'm in Clearmont. 66 miles to home. The water's getting hot. You see the rain? I just heard a big thing of thunder. 48 miles to go. Figures the I gotta get a drink. The last 50 miles it's gonna rain on me. Guys, thanks for watching. Total mileage, I ended up doing 510 miles. Probably closer to 250, 275 dirt roads up in the mountains, and the Hawk did pretty good. The only issue I had was a fork seal started leaking, but that was probably my fault because I put too much oil in it. So hopefully that's a quick fix. But guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. You guys out there, stay safe. See you on the next adventure.